Hi guys and welcome to my story time. Story time of how I was dragged and ngabona. Yebo? So fine ngenza ufirst day wami qeda ukufika college le engangifunda kuyo. By the way, istory sika last year lesi, it's not this year's story. So yeah. Ngangifika vele uyazi umuntu nje mefika college nje vele nje kuba lama vibes okuphapha, kuba lama vibes ukuthi nje ufuna ukuphuma uhamba ama club nje wena wonke labo ungawahambi back then. Plus mina ngapha nje bengihlala eThekwini, ngihlala eMpumalanga, ngihlala eThekwini, ngihlala so isikhathi sokugrova bengingasitholi because abazali bami bonke bebe strict yabo fine. Mengifika phela ecollege I remember bengifika khona amanye amantombazane engajwayelana nawo yabo ngale nje vele Krugersdorp straight and ngaqala uthinda yabo like nje lezi zinto zokuphapha lobo ngazenzi ngaqala ukuzenza ngaqala uthinda nje izinto nyana nje ezikanjalo yabo fine ngamatch omunye ubhuti bengimatch omunye ubhuti hawu ubhuti vele angibuze yo umuhle sisiwami uhlalaphi yabo nje ezikanjalo. The first red flag was ungitexto lo muntu abhala nge-English kuphela and then we took it to WhatsApp. Masifika WhatsApp bekuwumuntu ukuthi like he sounded like an Arabic person or Arabian. I don't know if I am spelling it correctly. Yabo? But then mengimtshela ukuthi mengimbuza izinto ukuthi like ukhuluma English kuphela he switches to my language. That's a red flag, guys. A red flag yokuqala leyo. Especially umuntu if understand name enye and if ukuthi le language yakho uzoyikhuluma perfect udlula kwanawe fine. Mina yazi nje ngijabulile nje ukuthi phela yabo nanga umuntu nemoto izinto ezikanjalo nje uyazibona lezo zinto. So mina anganaka ama red flag yabo fine. How ubhuti athi ucela uzongibona vele okay kungabi nenkinga vele ngithi like ngiyaphapha ngiyazifikela ngiyaziphaphela shem ezobhuti mengezobhuti ethi yena sambe sithenga ukudla yabo ayimi lo phela kwaThaphu ngitshela abangane nginalo bhuti umuntu akhe yinhle beware guys ne oqala nje into engizoyisho nje beware khona lapho nje kwa Mercedes ama Krugersdorp ama nge Mercedes eBlack angifuni nje ukukhuluma igama lakhe because angifuni ukuthola incwadi kuthiwa ngiyasuwa manje yabo fine. Kube indaba zokuthi vele sithenga ukuthi uthenga sidlule kwenye pub nyana athi awufuna into yokuphuza yabo. That's when I started drinking Istropay yabo. Actually ama Istropay i6. I remember very well athi let's go to my place. I thought siyohlala sochilla kuphela ngeke ngikwenze lutho and in my mind I was like uthi angeke ngenze lutho yabona fine isihambe vele mesifika khona lapho vele kube nje i-lovely chat kuyaxoxa nje kumnandi you understand kuyaxoxa kumnandi awekho nje ama red flag. Aqale manje athi angifuni ukuya toilet like manje ubuza mina kube bengifuna bengizoyiyela yabo angibuza ukuthi like angifuni ukuya toilet ngithi no ngiyafuna bo vele ngiphame vele ngiye kuphi kami ngiye toilet fine shuthi ke lelo philisi lelo ulifake lapho mina ngiye toilet. So labona ukuthi uNkulunkulu namandla akho nayo sometimes like ezinye izinto azenzeki ngendlela omunye umuntu eplane ngazo yabo and bengiphuza ngestraw like abayazi Istropay or Istropays because abanye bayazi nge-Istropays oyazi Istrop like ingaka and height ingaka yabo and the way ingakhona mufaka istraw vele uyasazi istraw sifikele nzaza ngithi so mina mengifika shuthi iphilisi olifake belisa dissolve because belapha phansi eqakaleni eceleni ngimonce kayi1 ngize amathi like ulwimi ngathi liyababelwa yabo but then angizange ngize ngiphakamise ngifuna ukubona ngathatha ifoni yami ngayibamba like ngabamba yona kanje ngathatha ifoni ngayikhanyisa kancane ngayibhekisa phansi because yena bebheka imovie yabo mengithi lapha ekhoneni ayibo nali please fine. First thing that I did, I texted my friend Usno, yabo. Texted my friend Usno ngamtshela fast ukuthi isila kwenza and I was feeling dizzy. Lela phila sleep fast anganokuthini ka. I was feeling so dizzy, yabo. Hey manje sengimtshela ukuthi ngifuna ukumuka mina what I'm telling him I just sent my mom my live location because uyayifuna uyaqala panic ubhuti. Yeah, well, send the live location ungangitshelanga, which means you don't feel safe now. No, it's not about not feeling safe now. It's my first time in Gauteng. This is another province. Angase ngihlale la mina, yabo. So umama kumele azi ukuthi ngikuphi. cause angikho rest athi aqale panic umfana delete that live location what nginqabe ngikuthi ukuthi mina ngamtshela kathi uyangipholithela or ngifonela amapholisa angimtshela ukuthi ngiboneni just ngibone ngade wena bese katatazela ngakhona yabo ethi fine uzobolt eBolt vele meBolt mayifika iBolt I remember very well into 370 something rent yabo hayi ke athi ngikaza ngikhokhele ni Bolt mina ngizozikhokhela tata leyo ke imali nganginayo account yami yabo imali ngayinto ukuthi benginayo at that time ngibonga uNkulunkulu futhi ukuthi nganginayo imali ngihamba ngayekhaya mengihamba ngiyekhaya abele sengifike ngixoxela abantu ukuthi ayibo kwenzekalani and then kwaba khona istory sokuthi khona amantombazane vele nje awayelahleka ngale yabo awayelahleka amantombazane okwakukholelwa ukuthi nje vele abanye babo babagcine kwi-Mercedes black yabo so angazi mina like allegedly abafana bangale like batshontsha abantu yabona nje ba human traffic abantu fine kube nje izinto zokuthi nje ngakusasa kwakhona ngimbhalile imessage ngimtshela ukuthi ngibonile ukuthi wenzeni wena yabo engibuze ngenzeni wathi ngimtshela athi no it was a sexual enhancer pill because wathi ngathi mina utha ngiyengenzela lutho so eyani loyo nto yabo like ezama ukudaka indaba so lawo umuntu like ozama ukudaka indaba ezama ukuyidaka nananani ethi ya if you tell anyone you'll know why other people they come to me and never come back and then I delete a little message for everyone ayibo nami ngithuke phela yabo so like sengiqala ukusaba manje ukuya esikoleni cause bengifika ngisaseyisilima shem nje ngingokobo unqothofu onguwona manje nje ngisaseyisilima kakhulu so nje mantombazane wami khona lawa nje lokuthi uyafika nje whether ufunda evarsity whether ungena ecollege or nje izinto nje ezikanjalo yabo lo abhuti cause mina ungithethe igama leAriba it was a nature something yabo so mengabe ukuthi nje uqala ukufunda nje kude ithinda mntaka baba nje uze nje ungayilokothi ngibonge futhi nje nakuleyo ndawo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Ayibona ngigela uqoqa story sokuthi wahlangana nabhuti kuthinda oyithinda it's a dating app labantu bahlangana khona Twitter bayajola bahookapha baba bangani lapha kuthinda bagcine bamitha so wahlangana gela saqala ukuyevasithi yabo saqala kuyevasithi usaphapha utitshela ukuthi hey sengine freedom hayibo hlangana nabhuti wrong bhuti uthi bahamba baye endlini yakhe umthele ama-estropes bhuti wamdraga uthi wathi alibona leli philisi lapha endansi ngala uva lo tshwala buyababa uthi ugeli wathi yena ufuna kuhamba futhi usharele namakwakhe live location and the guy was fuming kwabona ukuthi umuntu sojekile ukuthi hayibo sengiyitholile nangumuntu like sengimtholile umuntu lento mhlambe it's idiom trafficker or wendani yambulalo yamgrape I don't know but utitshela nje ukuthi nayo lithuba sengilitholile lamphunyukele etandleni bekangasakwatanga in lo bhuti and people are saying ukuthi ladies you should really be careful ngabantu enhlangana nabo enkundleni yokuxhumana kubo Facebook Twitter dating apps uma uhambe nomuntu ongamadi kanjani or it's not safe out there akaphephanga nje nakancane igelo owasenza ngokulambisa kwava bathi umuntu usenze ngokulambisa kube nguye gelo wasenza ngokulambisa we don't know ukuthi ngabe wadrake lo mfana ngabe wamendani yo people are so sick la ngaphandle. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.